Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Karen.
I'm Robin.
And today we are teaching you how to make French toast in a mug. Today's video is going to be real fast because Robin is a junior and she's super busy. So this video is perfect for every college student out there who's like, I don't got time for this, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
So we're teaching you how to make a really quick breakfast in the morning when you have to run out the door in 2 minutes or less, that you can prepare either the night before or right before you go. And it's not going to take very much of Robin's time either because she ain't got none.
Nope.
I just said ain't. I don't think I've literally ever said that word in my entire life.
Remember, the recipe is down in the description, so you can go find it there. And don't forget to subscribe while you're down there.
Let's get started. French toast is done. Now I do have to say, it's looking a little bit like French toast with scrambled eggs on the bottom. We've never made this before. Robin doesn't like scrambled eggs. She doesn't like eggs.
Are gross.
Unless they're like mixed in with like cookies or something. And so I would say if you're making this, use 2 slices of bread rather than 1, and it will get rid of that. But if you like a mix of scrambled eggs and French toast, then this would be like the perfect cup of food for you.
Yeah.
So we're gonna taste it. We're just gonna add a little bit of maple syrup and see how it tastes. It smells like French toast in here for sure.
Yep. Very strong.
Okay, we're gonna taste this. Here we go. Ready? I mean, it tastes like French toast. So if you don't have a skillet and you don't got time for that, I think this is the thing for you. What do you think?
Not my favorite, not gonna lie. I just don't like eggs.
So I think that just like grossed out Robin from the beginning. But me, I like eggs, and so I would totally eat this. I give it a thumbs up. Maybe Robin gives it a...
Middle to down. This area.
You gotta love us trying new recipes on our videos live. For you guys, just for you. That's all we have for you today because Robin's got like 14 tests tomorrow and she only has 3 classes. So not sure how that's possible, but it's happening.
Not sure either.
So we gotta go. We'll see you next time on College Kitchen. Bye.